Our bodies are marvels of balance and precision, constantly working to maintain a stable internal environment. One crucial aspect of this balance is the regulation of blood glucose levels. After we eat, carbohydrates from our food are broken down into glucose, a type of sugar that serves as a vital energy source for our cells. When blood glucose levels rise, the pancreas plays a key role in restoring balance. Specialized cells in the pancreas, known as beta cells, detect the increase in glucose and release a hormone called insulin. Insulin acts like a key, binding to receptors on the cell's surface, especially in the liver, muscle, and fat cells. This binding process signals the cell to absorb glucose from the bloodstream. In the liver, insulin promotes the conversion of glucose into glycogen, a stored form of sugar. This process is known as glycogenesis. Muscle cells also store glucose as glycogen for later use, particularly during exercise. As cells take in glucose and the liver stores it as glycogen, blood glucose levels gradually decrease, returning to a normal range. But what happens when blood glucose levels drop too low, such as between meals or during physical activity? The pancreas has another set of cells called alpha cells, which come to the rescue by releasing a different hormone called glucagon. Glucagon signals the liver to break down glycogen back into glucose through a process known as glycogenolysis. This newly released glucose is then released back into the bloodstream to raise blood glucose levels back to a normal range. If glucose stores are exhausted, glucagon stimulates the liver to produce glucose from non carbohydrate sources, such as amino acids, in a process called gluconeogenesis. The delicate balance between insulin and glucagon ensures our blood glucose levels remain stable, providing our cells with a constant supply of energy while avoiding the dangers of hypoglycemia, meaning too little glucose, and hyperglycemia, meaning too much glucose. In summary, the homeostatic control of blood glucose involves a dynamic interplay between insulin and glucagon. When blood glucose rises, insulin helps stores the excess. When glucose falls, glucagon helps release stored glucose. This balance is essential to our health and well being. Understanding how our body maintains this balance highlights the intricate and efficient systems that help keep us alive and thriving. So, the next time you enjoy a meal or engage in physical activity, remember the amazing work your body is doing behind the scenes to keep you in balance. Thanks for watching. Until next time, stay curious and keep learning.